Good morning. So today I'm going to check out the content. No, I think I've shown the content of this life kit, but here's the small food pack. This is a vacuum pack actually. You pump air from here. So most of the time I just open it, and I tested this one on the one of the food is already expired. No, I'll show the picture of the date. Now, what we're going to do is check out what else is inside. No, there's a mask. This is a small plastic chopping board in case you need to. There's a spork, a plastic spork. I think that's from that. Oh, my spice mix. What is this? Wow, this is a dashi powder. No, in case you want to boil. Energen. Miso soup, of course, that's my favorite. No, I think there's several tea bags. This is another. This is instant coffee. No, and then tea, of course, coffee and tea plays favorite part as a morale boosting. I have several of the coffee and several of the tea. If you notice, my tea is green tea. Now, if you have a companion who likes creamer, because me, I take things black. So I've grabbed some of this when you're normally I take my coffee black somewhere. So, but I keep the creamer, no? Binayaran mo na rin daw yan, And then, what else? Lemon tea, there's sugar, and then there's a napkin, and, wow, a knife. Why do I have a knife? To complement the spork, no? I think this is a missing one from the my titanium set. Alright, so tea. And what is this? Ginseng for strength. And this is the breakfast of McDonald's, the strawberry jam. No, I normally don't take that, but I put it in my kit just to add on. So now, let's go and try the expired one, the oats caldo. This is basically an arroz caldo tasting, pero made from Quaker oats. Alright, let's test that. So we're gonna try this not technically expired. Okay, so that's the some hot water. Let's tingnan natin to. This is a oats na oats caldo, which means it should turn something like an arroz caldo. Expired na ba siya? October 2022 ang expiry date. It's been in my kit for a while, so let's see. So I covered it and put a timer. I put a 5-minute timer now to allow it to cook. So let's check what happens. Is it still alive or what? Well, I think I put too much water, pero it is now. Let's taste it. Let's still taste. I think ang nawala rito yung parang lapot niya. Dati, you do this para talaga siyang lugaw, no? So it means either nag-dry out na siya 2 years ba naman expired, no? After expiry date. But taste-wise, still okay. Medyo malasa yung pagkaluma. But shape-wise is another issue. So we will see. Pag hindi na po ako nagpo-post, ibig sabihin na dedo ako dito sa expired oats caldo. So meaning, we can basically keep this and put this in our survival stuff, no? Yung mga ganitong easy at least hot water lang. Because if you look at campers and survivalists na nagpo-post ng video sa YouTube, yung mga Europeans and puti, no? Normally, mga hot water lang. Kaya ngayon, jet boil become popular kasi tubig lang ang nila, no, pagkain when they're camping or out there, no. So yun, tubig lang, and then marami sila nabibili ng mga hot water rehydrated na pagkain. So I hope I can find them and then post again to see. So ito at least to local Robinson Supermarket lang nabibili. Salamat po.